Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is blinds.com legit? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you came across this site called blinds.com and you're wondering if you should actually get blinds with them. Well, I've had my blinds from blinds.com for about 2 years now, and I can most certainly say that they're legit. So how the process works is that you get in touch with them and someone actually becomes your consultant. So how it works was I was emailing someone from blinds.com. I sent them pictures of all my windows. They sent someone over to actually take measurements of all my windows. And then after they took measurements, they sent me a quote with how much it would cost for the installation and the blinds. They also send you free samples of any blinds that you might be interested in on their website. You could ask them which blinds are easier to maneuver, which blinds are easier to clean. So I was very happy with the quote unquote expert I was in touch with when it came to deciding which blinds to actually install in my home. Now, the total for about 15 windows, which includes my sliding door, was about $1,000. So this is what I was quoted when it came to my blinds. I didn't have to pay for shipping. And then the installation was only like $200. So with that being said, I'd say if you're interested in trying blinds.com, definitely check them out. They're a legitimate service. The blinds that I have in all my windows, they still work perfectly fine. I'd say the one that I use the most is my sliding door blinds. And even to this day, they still work perfectly fine. So the installation process, they're still holding strong. It's a 2-part appointment though. So the first part is someone comes to your home and takes the measurements of your windows. And then afterwards, the second time, that same person comes by your home and actually installs all the blinds. So that's pretty much it though, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.